Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my student. How are you today? Have your breakfast today? So, today we will going to learning about things in library. What is library? Library is a place where you can find collection of books and you can free reading in there. I have an illustration. This is Ina and Ani. Hello, where are you going? I'm going to library. Do you know things in library? Yes, I know. Follow me. I will show you. This is library. This is library. Wow, amazing. Can you tell me what things in here? Sure. In library, you can find shelves, books, magazine, newspaper or news, table, chair, calendar, stationery, computer, and the last in library you can find librarian. So that's things in library. Wow, thanks to show me. You're welcome. So that's all about things in library. Thank you for watching my video. See you next week. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.